This is Ubuntu 22.10. My name is Martin Yadav. Welcome to mad2code Academy, and let's see how Ubuntu 22.10 looks like. It opens the windows flawlessly and I'm just loving it. I'm using it from last 2 days. Just go and install it on your machine and try to open some of the applications. You can see everything is opening very smooth, and I am loving the appearance and the looks in the new 22.10 Ubuntu. Go and try it. You'll also love it. Let it be any window, let it be any folder, let it be any browser. It is opening quick, and you can see like I just opened the Firefox and it did not took that much time. My PC is a 32-bit thing, but I have installed 64-bit Ubuntu on it, but then also it works fine for me. So like, share and subscribe. That's Martin Yadav from mad2code Academy. See you next time.